Hey there! Welcome back to Inbox to Income. I'm Lisa, your host, and today we're tackling a key strategy that can make a huge difference in your email marketing: automations, or as we call them, flows. If you've ever wondered how to stay engaged with customers without having to be on all the time, then this episode is for you. We're going to explore how Klaviyo automations can simplify your email process and take your engagement to the next level. If you're new to email marketing or Klaviyo, automations might sound a bit intimidating, but don't worry. I'll break down the basics so that by the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what email automations are, why they matter, and how they can work seamlessly for your e-commerce store. So, let's jump right in. We'll start with the basics. What exactly are email automations? Simply put, automations, or as Klaviyo calls them, flows, are preset emails triggered by specific actions your customers take, like signing up for your email list, making a purchase, or abandoning their cart. Instead of manually sending these emails each time, Klaviyo does it all for you automatically. Why does this matter though? Well, it means you can stay connected with your customers without needing to be hands-on every time. Once these flows are set up, they're working for you 24/7, building relationships, driving sales, and keeping customers engaged. It's like having a digital assistant always ready to send the right message at just the right moment in your customer's journey. Now that we understand the power of automations, let's go over some core email flows that every e-commerce store should have. These are foundational automations that help you capture leads, nurture relationships, and drive sales. The first one is a welcome series. This is a must-have for new subscribers. It's your chance to make a strong first impression, introduce them to your brand, and maybe even offer a discount to encourage a first purchase. The second one is your abandoned cart reminder. We've all been there. You're shopping online, adding things to your cart, and then life interrupts you. Maybe you got busy, the kids started screaming, or you had to step away from your phone. Whatever the reason, the cart gets abandoned. This is where the abandoned cart reminder comes in. It's a gentle nudge that says, hey, you left something behind, reminding customers to come back and complete their purchase. It's an effective way to recover potentially lost sales, turning those interruptions into opportunities. And the third is a post-purchase follow-up. After someone buys from you, the relationship doesn't end there. In fact, did you know that getting a customer to buy a second time is both easier and cheaper than acquiring a new customer? Plus, studies show that a significant percentage of customers make a repeat purchase within the first 30 days of their initial purchase. Of course, this varies depending on the type of product you sell, but it's relevant for nearly every industry. And this is where the post-purchase flow comes in. It helps you thank your customer, share product care tips, or suggest complimentary items, keeping your brand top of mind and encouraging that next purchase. It's a way to turn one-time buyers into loyal customers. These three flows are a fantastic starting point, and Klaviyo makes it easy with pre-built templates you can and should customize for your brand. Now, before I jump into automations, let's quickly cover how to start capturing those leads in the first place. One of the best ways to do this is by setting up a pop-up sign-up form on your website. This form invites visitors to join your email list by offering something valuable, like a discount or a free resource in return. Once you have this form in place, you're on your way to building a list of subscribers that you can welcome through automations. Klaviyo makes this easy with pop-up form templates that you can quickly customize and connect directly to your store. Alright, now let's get hands-on. If you're ready to set up your first automation, let's go with a welcome series. It's a simple yet impactful flow. And here's how to set it up. In your Klaviyo dashboard, go to Flows on the left-hand side. Click Create Flow and select Welcome Series from the templates. Klaviyo will guide you through customizing the emails. You can add your brand colors, adjust the messaging, and even include a welcome discount if that fits your strategy. The first email in this series should deliver whatever you promised in your pop-up, whether it's a discount code or a free resource. I recommend starting with no fewer than 3 emails in this flow, with each email spaced 1 to 2 days apart. In email 1, you'll deliver the promised offer. In email 2, introduce yourself and share your brand's mission to build that connection. Always include a call to action back to your website though, and don't overwhelm with too many call to actions. 1 is plenty. Email 3, if you offered a discount, let them know it's about to expire. You can also highlight your best-selling products to encourage that first purchase. Once you're happy with it, hit activate, and your welcome series will start sending automatically to new subscribers. And that's it. You've set up an automated email flow that connects with new subscribers, welcoming them to your brand without any extra work on your end. So, there you have it. A beginner's guide to email automations with Klaviyo. Automations can truly transform your email marketing by freeing up your time and keeping your audience engaged, all without you lifting a finger off the setup. If you're ready to explore more automations, check out the full blog post linked in the show notes for additional tips. And if you want a head start on planning for the biggest shopping season, don't forget to download my free guide, Your Ultimate Black Friday Cyber Monday Success Blueprint. Your roadmap to a successful, stress-free Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Thanks for tuning into this episode of Inbox to Income. I'll see you next time, where we'll dive deeper into more email marketing strategies to help you grow your e-commerce business. Until then, happy emailing!